Okay, we still have 5 more minutes till the match starts, so I will just begin our commentators right now. So for everyone who's online and who's in the auditorium, I am Tuan. I'm a commentator here from UOT, and with me is Mr. Kojima from NAPROCK. Yeah, from NAPROCK, who's also be our co-host for today. So before the match starts, I will have Mr. Kojima explain the rules for everyone to understand more about the match today. Mr. Kojima?
Yep, thank you very much. Okay, this time, this competition system is just the same one used in the Japanese Kosen competition in the last October in Matsue Prefecture in Japan. And then you can see some clamshells picture here. And then the Matsue region is really famous for its tasty clamshells like this one. And then we can use the picture of the clamshells in this screen. And this game is kind of a matching problem. And the initial state is some kinds of squares, small tiles. There are many small tiles. And we call these tiles as entity. And each entity is connected by the red lines. Actually, in Japan, there's a belief that a couple of people, usually a male and a female, is bound together with a red string. So that it means these kinds of entities are connected together and red strings. And the objective of this game is to make all of the pairs connected next to next, adjacent each other, and then by only rotating the squared shaped areas like this one, and then the goal is all of the pairs make together. And also, probably many teams are making algorithms based on some computer searches, like the beam searches and the greedy searches, something like that. And then, maybe you can see the movement of each team in the screen. And the winner is decided in some kinds of assumptions. And the first priority is the number of pairs get together in the next to next adjacent. And the second priority is the number of moves to make the rotating the areas. And the third priority, the last one, is the time each team submitted the final answer. So the winner is decided by these rules. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you a lot, Mr. Kojima, for explaining the rules. So right now we still have a few more minutes for the preparation. So team, please double check your connections and your computers, make sure everything works correctly. And we will start the match at 10. So for now, for those who are ready, please give me a thumbs up, notifying that you're ready. Okay, 2 teams. The teams at the back, can you please raise your hand if you are ready? Okay, 4, 5. The 2 teams at the back, are you guys ready? Okay, 6, 7, okay. We will notify when the match starts. Okay, the match will start shortly in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Ishikawa's answer is a kind of dummy. Yeah. The Q-Tech is really interesting. They try to make the marginal part of the square.
Yeah.
And then,
So they start from outside to
that's
inside.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
UT the best
Yeah,
is doing something similar.
it's really similar, yeah.
Yeah.
they rotated the really large squares and then
Yeah, they start
Yeah.
merging into
getting smaller
the
and
center.
smaller.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Teams, you guys still have 4 minutes for your algorithm. Take your time
Yeah, this is the second answer,
for
the
you
UET.
to go.
Yeah.
Yes.
The strategy is the same.
Okay. Yeah, it's the same. But
Yeah.
for the last time, it seems they do 4 edges at the same
Yeah, that's
time.
right.
But right
Yeah,
now,
that's
they
right.
do it one by one.
Yeah. Maybe that's better. Yeah.
As a quick reminder for our team and all the people who's listening online, for the loser bracket, only one team can advance to the final round, which is the team who achieved the first position in this match.
Yes, this is the Mongolia team. It's quite interesting because they started from the top right. Yeah,
Oh, so we start
Yeah,
going
it's-
from right to
that's
left.
right, that's
left
right,
bottom.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but,
oh, Ishikawa's good. Yeah.
but do you think the time is faster than other teams' algorithm? As you can see?
Yeah, I'm not sure, but actually the strategy is a little bit different from each other. And then, this time UET from the also the top right top right corner,
Yeah, it's following
and
the
then
same,
going to
same
the left bottom.
strategies
Yeah,
as
and then the
NUM.
Mongolia deep. Yeah, it's quite good.
We only have half the time left. CTC, UT Cloud, and MKTC. You guys still have half the time for submitting your algorithm.
Actually, yesterday we had the tiles, 16 by 16, but this time it's a 20 by 20. So there are lots of tiles, so it's quite difficult to make an answer. Yeah. Maybe the UET crowd is a little bit different strategy with the other teams, and then maybe they can use rotating the very small part.
Yeah,
The 2 by 2 squares or something like that is rotating.
Yeah, it seems to be more sparse compared to
That's right.
Ishikawa.
That's right,
Because
yeah.
I saw Ishikawa doing the same thing,
Yeah.
but with much bigger pairs and blocks.
Maybe the searching algorithm is a little bit different. Yeah.
Okay, guys, you guys have 1 more minute to submit your algorithm. MKTC and CTCC, I still have not seen yet. And to me, it seems like all the teams is doing a somewhat like similar
Yeah.
algorithm, but they're trying to start from the outside towards
Yeah.
the inside.
Oh yeah, MKTC is starting. Yeah.
And the time feels almost the same, so it's probably gonna very close one.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so. Yeah.
And MKTC, can you see what MKTC doing? They do it very differently.
Yeah.
They don't start from outside to inside. They just almost randomly.
Oh, but
They missed
still
some.
remains some unsolved. Yeah.
And time's up. All right. Now the replays will begin shortly, and we can see which team do it best. This is a really close one.
Yeah, it's really close. Ishikawa and Hutek. Yeah.
Yeah.
And NUM,
Yeah, and
Mongolian team is really good.
Ishikawa, it seems
Oh,
Ishikawa
Ishikawa is
might
really
just-
quite fast.
Yep, they might just make it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Ishikawa. Yeah. For the second position is
Oh, yeah,
Cloud.
UET Cloud.
And Reflare is the third one.
Yeah, and Hutech.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
give a bit of moment. MKTC is a little bit
Yeah.
slow. And second now should be fine.
Yeah. They're trying to rotate the area. It's very scattered part
okay.
of the, yeah.
Areas.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here's we will display the final results of the
Yep.
match. Seventh place is CTC, sixth is MKTC, fifth is UT the best, fourth is NAM, third is Hugh-Tech Reflare, second is UT Cloud, and first is Ishikawa. So
Yeah.
congrats to Ishikawa for
Congratulations.
advancing to the final round. And thank you for the other participant. You guys did a really good job. Okay, so it seems Ishikawa is doing much better. So what do you think about the match so far? Do you think like the three position, the first, second, third are really close?
It's really, the strategy really similar. each
Yeah,
other.
it's similar. But the one thing I noticed is that Ishikawa for the starting from outside inside, it seems to do
That's
more
right.
pairs
That's
compared
right.
to other teams.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think that's a big advantage compared to
Yeah.
UT and Hugh-Tech.
Yeah. Yeah, actually the Ishikawa employs a strategy called the beam searching.
Beam
And,
searching,
they are making smaller number of candidates of
Okay.
the such an area.
Oh, so it's the K numbers,
That's
right?
right,
So
that's right.
Oh,
Yeah,
gotcha.
yeah.
So maybe because UT and Hugh-Tech
Yeah.
get the K number a little bit too large?
Yeah.
Ah.
Actually, the UET and Hutech is also using the similar algorithm.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So-
but the kind of the details strategy is a little bit better.
yeah.
Yeah,
so,
Ishikawa is better, I think.
so is this some kind of similar beam search or is it a different one?
Yeah, actually, they're almost the same, but some parameters and the settings are a little bit different, I think.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So once again, thanks Ishikawa for advancing to the final round. And we'll take a short break for the other teams to set up. So just ensure that your connections are connected to our server.
Okay. The only key outline of this one is EPIT3.
Teams, if you guys ready, please put your thumbs up. So UT, the chosen one, has ready. Okay. Are you guys ready? Yep. Teams on the back, are you guys ready? Behind the, sorry, Itai, Hugh, yeah, HNU, are you guys ready? Guys on the back? Okay. It seems all teams are ready. So we should begin our match shortly. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and begin.
Seems good. It's a Ho Chi Minh University.
So from Ho Chi Minh, is this almost like a kind of a beam search?
Yeah,
just
yeah,
like
I
the
think,
previous
yeah.
match?
And outside to inside
Gotcha.
strategy.
So I
Yeah,
see
this
it's-
was
is it similar one?
Yeah,
to,
quite similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you also explain why beam search is also such a popular one? It seems like every team
Yeah.
do some kind of
Probably
different
the
variation of it.
Yeah. Actually, even if they use the same beam searching algorithms, the size of the squares to rotate and the starting point are really different. So yeah, probably the result is such a kinds of parameters and then starting point and initial state or something like that. It's quite effective.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is this like is there a way to determine a good starting point?
Yes,
Is this-
right. Yes, yeah,
Oh, that's
yeah.
the way. Okay. Yeah. So it's not just random and just pick a random point and
Yeah,
hopefully-
probably. Yeah.
Okay.
It depends on the initial settings. Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay, teams, you guys still have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. You guys still have half the time. So HAUI and Petit and UT, the chosen one, you guys still have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to submit your algorithm. And other teams, you guys also still have time to make a much more faster algorithm than you guys have. As you can see, UT
Yeah.
chosen one is doing similar what
Yeah, that's right,
and
yeah.
UE did.
From right to left.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably the upper teams, they rotating the squares in a 2 by 2, I think.
So
Yeah.
that's why it seems much faster.
Yeah, that's right.
Teams, you guys still have 1 more minute to submit your algorithm. PTIT Creed, you guys are the only team still have not submit a algorithm just yet. So please go ahead and submit one, even if it's not fast. Okay. HEY Sibao seems to do differently. I don't think
Yes,
that's
really different.
Yeah, that's not a beam search. It's almost like a group-based sorting, much like
Yeah, and probably they change the size of the squares. Yeah,
okay.
adaptively, I think.
Gotcha. Is there a problem if the square, like the initial square, is too big or
Yeah.
too small?
Yeah. Actually, some teams are getting the larger squares and then they get smaller and smaller.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
Oh, PTIT
you guys
is good,
have
yeah.
5 seconds
All
left.
teams are finished.
4, 3, 2, 1. So all teams have
Ooh.
submit their algorithm, and let's see who got the best of it. So replay will begin now.
It's quite similar strategies, all the teams.
Yeah, and it seems all teams is very close to each
Yeah,
other.
very close.
Like 2 HAUI, all of them actually. Okay, it's really hard to tell.
PTIT seems good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
PTIT and UT
UET
chosen
is
one.
really close.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, wow, all of them. Okay. Oh, my. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
HAUI. Okay. And UT just
UT is just,
slightly closer. All of them
quite-
are so close by a few pairs.
Yeah,
Wow.
quite a few moves
Yeah,
differences.
that is such a close match.
Yeah,
Even us cannot determine who's the winner till the very end.
yeah,
Yeah. And I think the
Yes.
scoreboard will show just how close the top three teams are.
yeah.
So, sixth place is Coulson, fifth is HCM UE, fourth is PTIT,
Wow.
third is UT, second is HUIC Bao,
Yeah,
and
it's
first.
really close.
Yeah, so the first and the second only differs by 3 steps,
Wow.
and the second and third only different by 4 steps.
Yeah.
It's such a close match. So, congrats to HUI No Solution AI for advancing to the finals. And
Yeah,
thank-
actually,
yeah,
4 teams, just 10 steps.
yeah.
Yeah.
So the first and the fourth only different by 10 steps.
Wow.
So the other teams, congrats for joining the competition. You guys did really good, so be proud of yourself. Yep. The difference is only by a few steps, by like a digital.
Yeah.
All right. So HAUI No Solution AI has advanced to the final. So congrats to them and the other teams as well for participating in our competition. You guys did a really good job.
Yeah, it was really exciting.
Yeah. So as you can see, so like all of them use the same algorithm, right?
Yeah, yeah,
It
yeah.
is that slightly change in parameters
Yeah.
makes a big difference. That was so close.
Actually, if we do the same match again,
Yeah.
the result will be different.
Yes, I
Yeah.
can see that. Yeah.
It's really close.
All team did really well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. So that should be the end of the second loser bracket. For now, team, please take a short break. Our final match, as should be by our calendar, should be at 12. So team. Oh. 12. Yeah. So 12 giờ đúng rồi. 12 giờ. 12 giờ chung kết. Okay. Yeah. So team, we will displaying the final table for the last match shortly for 8 teams who get to the final rounds. And before the break, I also want to remind that for our final match, we will have a total of 6 prizes. So the first, second, and third, and we'll also have 3 other prizes for as special prize or consolation prize for 4th, 5th, and 6th. So right now, teams, you guys can take a short break, and we will begin our match around 12. Thank you. If any team still has some technical issues, please raise your hand so we can help. Right now, 4 teams has successfully connected to the server. Ishikawa, Sendai, Tokuyama, and IUH Brainiac. Kisarazu, Hachinohe, Tokyo, and HAUI No Solution AI still offline. Kisarazu and HAUI still has no connection.
ケジュールでやるしかないよねって言ってますので。
Okay, we still have Kisaratsu offline. So, if possible, please connect because the competition is about to start. It's 12. Can someone from the technical team, if possible, help Kisaratsu team? just before we start, can you guys give me a thumbs up if you guys are all ready? Ishikawa ready? Yep, good. Team, please give me a thumbs up so I know you guys are ready. The competition will begin shortly. HAUI, are you guys ready? Thumbs up, okay. Tokyo, you guys ready? Tokyo, are you guys ready? All right. And you guys on the back? Good? Okay. And the competition will begin in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And good luck.
Yeah, these two teams are sending the dummy answer, just rotating the fields.
So what's the point of rotating the fields?
Oh, actually, they should rotate to some square areas, and then they just sending the whole area to be
Gotcha.
rotated. So
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's like a check.
yeah,
Okay.
I thought just for fun or something. And the field is the biggest one.
Yes,
That's
it's
24 by 24.
Yeah. Teams, you guys still have 4 minutes left. So what do you think is taking so long for them to submit?
Yeah, actually, the problem is quite difficult because the field is the biggest one. Yeah, so maybe there's some teams try to remove some rows of columns and then get the squared field. It's a smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can just saw that just just submit, but it's not like
The
a
strategy
beam
is the
system.
same as last time, and then
Yeah, I see HAUI and
yeah,
Hachinohe has
Hachinohe
the-
is quite good. Yeah.
Yeah, it's using like the starting from the outside to
Yes,
the inside.
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I can see Tokuyama is slightly faster. Is
Yeah.
this due to the beam search or them have better
Yeah,
parameters in this
that's
case?
right.
Gotcha.
If they remove the two rows of two columns on the each side, it should be a 20 by 20. So it's quite easier to solve. Yeah.
Okay. So they reduce the what is it? The
That's right.
dimension.
That's
Okay.
right.
Yep. Teams, you guys still have half of the time left. Kitarazu and Tokyo still have to submit
Yeah.
their algorithm. Okay. It seems IUH Brainiac is doing something different compared to the other
Yeah.
team. So, do you know what kind of algorithm are they using? Probably not something.
Yeah,
research.
it's quite difficult. Different from the other teams, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Kisarazu also removed the two columns and rows, and then
IUH
Getting
method
smaller and
is
smaller.
different compared to the other team.
That's right. Yeah. Ishikawa seems better. Yeah.
Yeah. So right now it seems the other team just trying to optimize their
Yeah, exactly.
algorithm and not changing it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Tokyo just submit. I
Yeah,
think that's
Tokyo.
left. Sendai is the only team who has not submitted
Yeah.
their algorithm just yet. Team, you guys still have a minute and 30 seconds. Still plenty of time to change your algorithm. Yeah. I feel like Tokyo and
Yeah,
IUH
Tokyo
is
also, yeah.
using different.
Yeah, a
method.
little bit different.
Yeah, I would like to know what they are using. Okay. Oh, Kisarazu also
Yeah.
adopt the same strategy as
Yeah,
IUH.
it's a little bit different strategy.
Yeah,
Seems.
it seems they don't use the starting from the outside to the
Yes,
inside.
right. Yeah. Sendai is a little bit authentic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sendai is different because they started from the top
Ri-
right
top
to
right to the
bottom
bottom.
left.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right. Exactly.
All team has submitted their
Yeah.
submission. You guys still have 40 seconds left to optimize it. There's still time. Yeah, you see the Kisarazu
so
change their strategy.
That's
Tokyo
right.
still-
Yeah, Tokyo is a little bit
Oh,
change the strategy.
yeah. They kind of start from the outside, but the
From
inside.
outside to
yeah,
inside,
But they,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Teams, you guys have 20 seconds. Time is running out. So if you want to submit, please go ahead. This is your last chance.
Yeah. The winners depends on the number of moves.
Yes.
Yeah.
So all teams should optimize. The competition will end in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Congrats to all the teams. And now we will having a replay shortly, and we'll see who's the winner.
See what happens.
Be another close one between Tokyo, Kisarazu, and
Yeah,
IUH.
Tokyo is a little bit faster to finish. Yeah, Hashinohe is also good.
It seems Tokyo might
Oh,
just be the
yeah.
winner. So congrats Tokyo's for finishing first. Who will get the second prize? Yes, luckily Tokuyama and Hachinohe,
Hachinohe, yeah.
as the third. So for the fourth position, it's gonna close between Kisarazu and
Kisarazu,
Ishikawa.
Ishikawa.
Kisarazu and Ishikawa is the fifth. Sendai is the sixth. And also
HAUI,
congrats to
yeah.
HAUI and IUH. And now, after this, okay, we'll,
Yep.
yeah. And now we will display the final result for all to see. And the final rankings will be at number 8, we have IUH Brainiac. Number 7 is HAUI No Solution AI. 6 is Sendai. 5th is Ishikawa. 4th is Kisarazu. 3rd is Hachinohe. 2nd is Tokoyama. And 1st is Tokyo team. Congrats to Tokyo.
Second, third is really close.
Yes.
Just
all-
one step.
Just one step. I know. It's just a slight difference.
Yeah.
So the second and the third is only off by
Yes,
one
right. That's
move.
right.
Okay, that is very close one. And even the fourth to the fifth.
Yeah,
The
fourth to
sixth,
the fifth, fourth to
sixth,
the seventh.
sixth,
Yeah,
seventh. Yeah, it's only by
fourth to
20.
seventh. It's really close again. And
So congrats to all the team who has
yeah,
participated in our competitions. And I think that means the award will be given to the first and the sixth team. So you can see that Tokyo,
Yeah.
I think Tokuyama changed their strategy at the
Yes.
last second, right?
yeah.
Because
Probably they tried a different strategy.
Yeah.
The first one, the second one,
Yes.
and then yeah,
Because I saw Tokyo and Tokuyama has like a starting from outside to the inside,
Yes,
almost
right.
like a beam search, but then they slightly changed. Tokyo does not change completely.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
still start from the outside, but then in the middle, they just not going like,
Yeah.
from start to out, but they starting like randomly.
yeah. I'm not sure how they do that, but yeah, probably we have to ask them. It's Tokyo's replay, I think.
So this is like the interesting part because I know the old Tokyo algorithm try to fit the edges from the outside to the inside, but they only fill from the very outside first,
yeah.
and then inside they don't try to do that anymore.
That's right. Yeah.
Do you have any idea what kind of algorithm they're using?
Actually, yeah, they tried to make the 2 by 12
Okay.
rectangular, and then it was half size of the length, and then just 2 lengths, and then
Congratulations to Tokyo.
they locate such a rectangular in the outside with square. Yeah.
And
This one's a little bit different ones, probably.
I'm curious on how
Yeah.
they're doing it.
Wow.
I'm curious if we can interview
Yeah,
the team. to
it's
see.
quite, it's quite,
I wonder
yeah.
It seems like they're trying to cluster.
It seems.
Yeah. It seems like this team strategy is almost, well, the only difference between
Yeah.
Tokyo is that they don't fill out the outliers first. They just, I guess, cluster them.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe they set some, I say, the cost functions or something like that, constraints, and then the most likely regions they choose, and then move the squares,
Gotcha.
probably.
So that's IU's Brainiac method.
Yep. Tokuyama also the long lines, and then
Yeah, so
and locate the same square
yeah,
into the outside of the field.
just like how Tokyo.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's almost the same. So the problem is downsized. Yeah. Yeah, now the problem is the 20 by 20, so on.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they just kind of repeat it.
That's
until
right,
it's not-
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So it's slightly different from Tokyo because I remember they only fill the outside. And
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
inside
yeah.
they do something else. They don't repeat the steps.
Yeah. This is quite easier to understand, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's Tokuyama method.
Yep. And this one's also the same. Yeah.
It's just unfortunate that
Yeah.
it might take a little bit
Yeah.
too many steps to
Yeah.
get to the final circle.
Very close to Tokuyama's ones.
Their engine is too optimized, that's why they
Yeah.
still behind.
Probably,
Because
yeah.
from the outside, they look almost identical.
Yep.
So I think it's also take more steps to get to the edges.
That's right. Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
So I can see there are more steps, like
Yeah.
50. So what could exactly be the difference between two-man step? Because the parameters might be
Probably,
different.
yeah. It's different. Quite similar. The basic strategy is the same as Tokuyama or Hanoi, but probably the way to search the candidate is really effective. This one, yeah,
Similar to the Tokyo
That's right, yeah.
algorithm, because they also start by
Yes.
getting the edges done and then
Yeah.
they optimize it in from the inside.
yeah, quite efficient. It seems.
Yeah.
Almost the same, but they try to solve the problem from the top right to the left bottom. Yeah,
Is there any case? Because do you think the runtime between the two is different? 'Cause
Yeah,
obviously Sendai has
Yeah,
not
yeah.
get the top, but if you calculate the runtime, it should
That's
be
right.
the same, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
This one is a little bit different from the other teams.
Try to fill
Yeah.
the edges, but they instead
Yeah.
do like some sort of clustering, much like
Yep.
one of the teams of one team was that.
Yeah, interesting. Yeah. This one is final. The last one. This is the last one. Okay. Show the ranking again. Yeah.
Can the technical team show the ranking once again, please? Ranking. Show ranking again. So once again, this is the ranking of our competition with Hachinohe the third prize, Tokuyama the second, and Tokyo as the first prize. So once again, congratulations for the team achieving these positions. And as a quick note, that should be the end of our finals. Right now, since the team competition at the Sunwa building has still not finished and they're still finishing their lunches, our final closing session will start at 2. So team, you guys are feel free to leave the stage and take a rest. The final session will take place around 2 p.m. where we'll give out the prize and close the competition. So please and thank you for all the teams who has participated in this competition today.